Now it's lined up, we can do the same to the other side. What do you think? Think I can get it in the can? Missed. Get some more water. Windex. Water. Soapy water. And let's push the water out. I'll walk this one to the trash can because y'all see I missed. So. Move it down a little more. Water push it out. Now let's see if we can get it off. There it goes. There it goes. Looks like there's some bubbles in there. Could be dirt. That's dirt. You didn't clean it too good, did you? It's just a garage sign, right? I'll keep working the water out. I'm sure I'm boring you. Alright, now what we're going to do is I'm going to stick on here the deli sticker. And I'll go ahead and shut it off because same thing as doing the GMC emblem. And I just don't want to bore you. Okay, now that we have both stickers on there, we'll go ahead and we're going to put some of these emblems on. Now these emblems come from the junkyard. I was actually there getting a part for another vehicle I was working on. And I just started pulling these emblems off. All these emblems cost me $2. I mean, they're not perfect. They're out of a junkyard. Cleaned them up the best I could. So let's take a couple of these. And where do you think we should put them? Put up something like that. Got the two big. I don't have a Denelli. I couldn't find a Denelli. I guess people just don't crash those cars. Something like that, maybe. What do you think? Be nice to have a Denelli. I do have a Sierra. I'm gonna make the same sign instead of Denelli with a Sierra, and then I could stick the Sierra below it. That's the idea. If I come across a Denelli and the salvage yard next time I'm there, I'll maybe grab one of these off the car. And basically that's it. What we'll do is just flip these over, a couple dabs of clear silicone on there, put some weight on them, let them dry overnight, and they should stick just fine. And basically that's about it. So hit the like button for me if you like it. just hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next one.